Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jiffy Lube provides brake replacement without stopping your day. Whether you need pads, shoes, discs, rotors or drums, a Jiffy Lube brake service helps get your vehicle's brake system back to manufacturer specifications.
Let's help you make your mark.
Midas. Midas charges roughly $80 per hour for labor costs when working on brakes. They charge about $50 for a brake drum package, $60 to replace brake fluid, and upwards of $800 for a complete caliper and rotor job.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While you cannot get your brakes serviced at Walmart, you can purchase brake pads, brake rotors, brake calipers, and/or brake pad and rotor kits from a Walmart store or on walmart.com, and you can install them yourself or find a licensed professional to do the work.
Take our lead.
The cheapest place to go for the lowest brake fluid flush cost is Pep Boys, Firestone, Jiffy Lube, and Big O Tires, all costing around $69 for the brake fluid flush cost. The next cheapest option is CD, costing around $80 for the replacement, while Midas comes in at $85.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average brake pad replacement costs around $150 per axle, but these costs can rise to around $300 per axle depending on your vehicle's brake pad materials. The least expensive brake pads use organic material.
Let's help you make your mark.
The reported Jiffy Lube brake pad replacement costs for just the brake pad replacement. The costs of a basic package can average about $225 per axle, including the labor, but a signature brake package can cost more than $299 per axle.
Take our lead.
And how long does brake pad replacement take? Because the various components that make up the brake system are a normal wear item, they will eventually need to be replaced, and it generally takes 30 minutes to 1 hour as per expert mechanics.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.